Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the again variable and data type. So see here I have declared three variable. I have written three variables. First is X, I have stored 5, Y I have stored name, and Z I have stored 1.56. So you have to check what is the data type of this storage value. So let's see how we can do it. So I'm moving on Jupyter Notebook. And if you want to open the new Jupyter Notebook, then you have to click on this one. If you want to open existing Jupyter Notebook, then I have created basic Python. So I have opened it. Now it's opening. Now you have to come down and here you need to add a new cell. So you have to click on add button and here I will write uh, here I'm taking first variable is uh, my val is a first variable my val 1 and here I'm storing 50 and my val 2 I have stored here Johnson. Okay, and third my val 3 equal to here I'm taking decimal place 55.36. Okay, so declared here three variables. Now what I have to do, you need to check the output of the variable, then data type of the variable. So see here how we can do it. So you need to write here print my val 1 and then you have to check the data type. So you need to write here print type my val 1. So type is used to check the variables data type. Okay, so now I'm running it, so you have to press control enter. So see here, now I'm just coming downside, so you can see here 50 is your output of this line and the data type of this variable is integer. So see here class int is a data type of this myval one variable. Now moving on next, so here I'm just want to check data type of my val2. So you need to print the value. It's not mandatory to print the value first. You can directly check the data type. Okay. So you need to write here my val2 and then second line you can check the data type. So write down print type and here you need to take uh, so here I will write here my val2 2 and then I will take here print check the data type of my val3. So I'm just taking my val3. I will take the output of my val3 then print and check the data type of my val3. So I'm just typing my val3 and before this you need to write here type. Type is used to check your data type of the variable. Okay, so bracket closed. Okay, run it. Now you can see here the data type of this myval1 is int and the data type of myval2 is string, myval3 data type is float. So why float? Because here I have placed decimal value. Okay, so this is all about this video. I will continue with data type and variable in next video as well. So here I'm just covering basic things.